Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You've probably seen the viral clips of people making incredible mashups with the Mixi app. And if you're an Android user, you have a single burning question. Can I get it on my phone? Today we're going to get to the bottom of this and give you the definitive answer for 2025. It's time for the Android truth. Let's not waste any time. As of late 2025, the official music mixing app Mixi Make Mashups is an iOS exclusive. It is only available for download on the Apple App Store for iPhones and iPads. This is a common point of confusion because there are other apps with similar names on the Google Play Store, but they are not the same product. For example, there's a completely different app called Mixy brand, which is for the shoe shopping. So if you're looking for that specific music mashup app, unfortunately you won't find it on your Android device. You might be wondering why a popular app like this isn't on Android. A major reason for this often comes down to a technical issue called audio latency. In simple terms, it is the delay between a user's action, like tapping a button or a slider, and the sound actually being produced. Apple's iOS platform has historically had better, more predictable audio latency, making it the preferred choice for many developers of professional music and DJ apps. While Android has made significant improvements, it is still a technical hurdle that can make real-time audio mixing tricky for developers. Just because you can't get Mixi doesn't mean you can't make amazing mashups on Android. In fact, there are several powerful and well-regarded alternatives available on the Google Play Store that will give you a similar experience. First, Algorithm DJ. This is a fantastic, pro-grade DJ app that's a top choice for both beginners and experienced DJs. It has a slick interface and powerful features for mixing, so you won't feel like you're missing out. Second, Edging Mix. A long-standing and highly respected name in mobile DJing, Edging Mix offers a comprehensive toolset for live mixing with a clean and user-friendly interface. Third, Mix. If you're looking for a free, open-source solution, Mix is a great choice. It is known for being a powerful and flexible option for aspiring DJs. These apps are built from the ground up to work great on Android and offer a robust set of features to get you started on your music making journey. So there you have it. The official Mixi app is an iOS exclusive, but the truth is, the Android app ecosystem has incredible alternatives that can do the same, and often more. Don't let the platform exclusivity hold you back from creating amazing music. Have you tried any of the Android alternatives? Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below.